With our 6.0 release, Silent Push is pleased to introduce a complete redesign of our entire platform to improve the efficiency of our users' work. In addition to an updated dark theme with a more modern color palette and font, we have also introduced a brand new light theme option. From the user menu in the upper right of the platform, you can easily toggle between these two, as I'm demonstrating here. In addition to updating the look and feel of the platform, we have also updated the navigation menu. This is to align the platform's navigation with the modules we now offer, but also to make things much easier to find for our users. Within the Insight menu, users have quick access to Insight Search, which provides suggested one-click pivots to get users the insights that they need. Live Scan, which allows them to request scans of infrastructure on demand. And we've also introduced a brand new bulk enrichment workflow that allows me to quickly discover what Silent Push knows about a collection of domains or IPs. With our Defend module, users are able to view analytics about threats that have been detected in their environment using Threat Check. They also have access to TLP Amber reports to view our most recent research. They can view new indicator of future attack feeds. They can access their entire library of feeds. They can search against their feeds and create custom exports of them to use in integrations. They can compare their feeds against each other. And then with data export, they can operationalize those feeds by delivering them to their SIM, SOAR, TIP, or other integrations. Lastly, with Reconnaissance, users can access all their data within context graph search. They can look up DNS records. They can view historical registration data via Whois. They can access their monitored queries. And then they can discover impersonating infrastructure as well. And last but not least, with our advanced query builder, they can access experimental capabilities we offer to our customers. With 6.0, Silent Push has made the platform easier to navigate while laying the foundation for a series of powerful capabilities we'll be adding later this year.